Okay, so the point of this video is to do weird things with my voice, because I can do this all by myself without doing the helium balloons, you guys. I can talk like I'm on helium, and I don't actually need balloons. And it's rather a good thing, because even if I try the balloons, it doesn't really work all of the time. Whenever I try to breathe in the helium balloons, like, and it doesn't work. But regardless, I think I can do weird things with my voice. It actually kind of hurts my voice, you guys. It actually kind of hurts. And I can also do this. And I can do this too. Oh. I don't even know what I'm doing there, you guys. I don't know. But I think that this should be the end of the video. This will be the last time you see me.